Hello and welcome back to the channel Building Amazing Things. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you the reason why I left YouTube channel. I know a lot of you have sent me DM on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and even private emails asking me the reason why I left YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining all of that, and I'm also going to be telling you guys the future of this channel. So make sure you sit down, relax, and watch to the ending of this video. So now the big question is, why did you leave YouTube? So I took some time out of YouTube to have some quality rest and as well work on pending projects I needed to get them done. And as well, I learned new skills in the tech industry. And one thing in the tech industry, for you to remain relevant, you need to acquire new skills that are coming out in the industry. And as well, I worked on my workspace. So having a well-conducive workspace helps you to be more productive. And as well, I improved on the gadgets I am using for creating content on YouTube. So these gadgets now will help me create amazing more content on this channel. So it was necessary for me to have this time out on YouTube, so I'll be more productive and more consistent in creating videos that will help us to become a better UX designer. So having explained the reason why I left YouTube, now the next big question is, what should you expect as a subscriber of Building Amazing Things? So guys, in the coming days, we'll be creating more content around UX research. We're going to be talking about sketching, wireframing, interview, CAD sorting, personas, usability testing, survey, design sprint, A/B testing, and etc. So you needed to know all of these skills. It helps you to understand what UX research is, and all of these research methods help you to actually solve a problem or understand the user pain point or shape how your product is going to look like. We're also going to be talking about UI design, and we're going to be talking about some important aspects of UI design. We're going to be talking about the color. We're also going to work on white spacing, alignment, design system, typography, style guide, mood board, design principles, iOS and Android design specification. For you to design for iOS, you need to understand the design specification for iOS devices, and also for those working on Android projects, you need to understand the design specification for Android projects. And you also need to know when you are building a hybrid application or you are platform dependent. Also, we'll be talking about adaptive design and responsive design. You need to really understand the different. People usually merge these two concepts, but in this channel, I'm going to be explaining what an adaptive design is and what a responsive design is. Also, if you have followed me in this channel, you know that I've done some amazing prototyping using Smart Animate. So we're going to be diving deep into more animations that will make your projects more professional and wow your users. Also, we're going to be talking about handing over your project once you're done with your project and how you work with software engineers. I know a lot of people don't have that skill, and I know some UI designers who have the pain points of working with software engineers, having them to change their designs and all of that. So we're also going to be building our UI projects. So we'll design some mobile apps, different mobile apps in different fields, and also do some prototyping and animations for those mobile apps and web apps we're going to be designing in this channel. Also, we're going to be working and learning design tools. So for you to be good with UI design or UX design, you need to have a strong knowledge of some design tools, and we're going to be diving more on Figma. We looked at Adobe XD, we also look at Sketch, we also look at Proto.io, we also look at some plugins that will help us to be more effective on these design tools. We're also going to be looking at tools like Zephyr and the rest of that. Then we're also going to be touching about web design. As a UI designer, you also need to understand some basic concepts of web design. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to use WordPress and Elementor, and the essence of using WordPress and Elementor is to help you for UI designers who want to build out their portfolio, you can use WordPress and Elementor to help you build out that project. And we're also going to be looking at HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Don't get me wrong, we're not like diving too deep into it, but you need to have some basic knowledge of this as a UX designer, because if you understand how the structure, how the basic elements of the web is, you can actually build or design those components. So we're also going to be looking at portfolio creation, and we'll also review some portfolios in this channel, so stay tuned for that. We're also going to be talking about how to present your designs. A lot of people ask that question: how do I present my designs to my team or to my social media platforms like Instagram, Dribbles, and BM? And we're also going to be pushing out content to help you understand how to go about design presentation. So, and one of the new skills I've learned during this period is how to use Adobe Illustrator. In this channel, I'll also show you, for those who want to dive into illustration, you can actually design your own illustration without actually looking out for free resources. But don't get me wrong, I'm not saying free resources are bad, but sometimes you want a more customized resource and you don't get that out there in the internet. So I'm going to show you some basics of how to use illustration. Then we're also going to be doing some kind of podcast and design tech talk. So we'll just talk about challenges and issues arising around the field of UX design. I'm going to be also inviting some people to the channel to also talk about it. Then one of the important aspects of this this new aspect of building amazing thing is we're going to be talking about job searching. And a lot of you guys have actually gotten some skills that is relevant and you can start working in the industry, but you don't know how to go about that. So we're going to be talking about job searching, resume creation, design rules that are available in the UX designs, and as well the payments that are associated with the different design roles. Also, one interesting part is not actually working for a company, but becoming a boss of your own, becoming a freelancer. So you can decide to become a freelancer and make more money and search for projects. So we're going to be talking about the various available platforms for you to showcase your work and become a freelancer. So guys, all of these topics will be coming out in the coming weeks, and I'm going to be shipping out videos every Wednesday and Friday. So guys, I'm really excited that we'll be learning a lot in the coming days. And if you feel I left out some topic you want me to talk about, comment in the comment section and tell me the topic you want me to talk about. I'll add that to my content list. Right now, I want to use the opportunity to say a big thank you to all my subscribers, starting from 0 subscribers to almost 40,000 subscribers. I really appreciate all of you guys, and I want to say a big thank you for being my subscribers and watching my videos on YouTube. And I also want to say, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so. Subscribe to this channel and as well turn up your notification bell, because I'll be creating lots of content around UX design. I really love you guys. Thank you guys for reaching out for me and checking out for me when I was not active on YouTube. Love you guys, and bye for now.